Nishant.
Hi, I'm Pritesh.
We are from Aditya Vidyasam Residential School, Poriyur, Puducherry. And this is our project. We are going to exhibit our project QR code AI-based door lock system. This project we are using Raspberry Pi and we are adding camera to analyze the QR code is access or not accessed. This project is very useful for a powerful security purpose for home, industries, factories, etc. And we are having 3 QR codes, one Pritish, one Nishant, another one is Hello World. The correct QR codes are Nishant and Pritish. When we show the QR code in front of the camera, the door was open. After 5 seconds, the door was closed automatically.
This QR code. Now I'm showing the project how it working. The door opens. This is authorized QR code. After 5 seconds, the door closed. Now another the Nishant QR code. This is also authorized QR code. The door opens. After 5 seconds, the door closes. Another one is Hello World. This is not authorized code, so the door was not open. Thank you.